Hey everyone, so just wanted to introduce you into another small project I did when I first moved in here, and that would be the kitchen. So as you can see, this is the final product. At the end of the video, I'll link to what it looked like before. I'm not entirely sure you'll notice a huge change, but I'll tell you what I did and you can let me know your thoughts. So first thing when we moved in, there was a 30-inch slide-in stove, so a one-piece, taking up a lot more counter space than needed. It just looked bulky in this small apartment, so I ended up putting in this drop-top cooktop and a slide-in stove. They're both 24 inches wide, so effectively gained back 6 inches of countertop space, which is huge in such a small space to begin with. In addition to that, I did replace the countertop. Initial homeowners, basically, I don't know what they were doing, but there was a bunch of stains on the countertops, which I couldn't rub out or clean with anything, so obviously had to do that. It's just your basic quartz countertop with a little bit of veining here. And in addition to that, I also added this sink. So it's about 10 inches deep and about 22 inches wide. So you can pile up a lot more dirty dishes and let it sit, I guess, if that's what you're after. But yeah, in the end, I think it turned out pretty well. It wasn't the biggest project, and I didn't have to rip out any backsplash or tiles. I think I'll keep it like that for now, until the place transforms and is in need of an update. So again, just trying to utilize all the space that I have. Getting those 6 inches back, I think we're huge. Let me know your thoughts.